Write the first letter. पहला हर्फ लिखिए. Now we learn to identify the first letter of the given words. अब हम दिए गए अल्फाज का पहला हर्फ लिखना सीखते हैं. Here we see the picture of a mango. Here is written dash A N G O. The first letter of mango is M. So we write here M. Here we see the picture of a house. Here is written dash O U S E. The first letter of house is H. So we write here H. Here we see the picture of a lamp. Here is written dash A M P. The first letter of lamp is L. So we write here L. Here we see the picture of an ox. Here is written dash X. The first letter of ox is O. So we write here O. Here we see the picture of a duck. Here is written dash U C K. The first letter of duck is D. So we write here D. Here we see the picture of a banana. Here is written dash A N A N A. The first letter of banana is B. So we write here B. Here we see the picture of a lion. Here is written dash I O N. The first letter of lion is L. So we write here L. Here we see the picture of a fish. Here is written dash I S H. The first letter of fish is F. So we write here F. Here we see the picture of a cap. Here is written dash A P. The first letter of cap is C. So we write here C. Here we see the picture of an owl. Here is written dash W L. The first letter of owl is O. So we write here O. Here we see the picture of a jeep. Here is written dash double E P. The first letter of jeep is J. So we write here J. Here we see the picture of a pencil. Here is written dash E N C I L. The first letter of pencil is P. So we write here P.